Hi, this is Todd Hart, and I'm coming to you from ProMat 2019. Excited to be here and be part of the activity of the largest material handling show in North America. I'm thrilled with how our booth looks. The booth represents our culture. It's bright, it's colorful, and it just wants to bring you in. But also, you see that we have the little sitting areas set aside where you can sit down and have the quieter conversation as well. So we can have all the fun, but then we'll sit down and be serious about the process and be serious about the product that we're making. As far as the sales team, I'm excited for them to have the opportunity as such a great team, but also a new team to meet all of our partners from around North America and even Central and South America.
What I love about ProMat is you get a chance to really see what's happening in the industry, what the trends are, what people are doing. There's a lot of talk about new technologies. Being on the engineering side, I love the technology side of things. It's fun to see what's going on, some of the new innovations, and I love how it can spark new ideas so that we can even create more products down the road. Some of the big ones that we're releasing here at ProMat is the new watering cart, which it's a completely redesigned watering cart. It's a little bit more ergonomically correct, a little bit quieter. The next exciting thing is we now have in-valve level monitors. So it's a level light, the Eagle Eye Industrial can now monitor your batteries. You don't have to drill a separate hole for it. You can do it right through the valve. The third big thing that we're releasing here at ProMat, that's Advanced Battery Steward with tracker technology. It'll let you monitor the entire health of your battery and know exactly how the battery is doing and how it's functioning. And it gives you that information right away. Developing products at Flow-Rite, it's a lot of fun. And what I love is the culture in which if anybody's got an idea, they can throw out that idea and we seriously evaluate it, and it helps us make really great products. I'm just really excited with the team that's here. Everybody's really energetic, a lot of great products. It's a lot of fun to be here.
Boy, what do I like most about working with everyone at Flow-Rite? It's a hard question because there's a lot to like. I like all the different individual talents that people bring, all the ideas that bubble forward at an organization like Flow-Rite. It just seems every day something really new, fun, and creative happens, and we keep adding talents, and that flywheel's moving faster and faster and faster. We really appreciate you coming out to visit the Flow-Rite booth at ProMat 2019. It's a great opportunity to meet our partners, and also we look forward to seeing you next year at MODEX.